welcome to Slime Swirls. And today, just to let y'all know, I changed my name to Slime Swirls, so then y'all don't get all confused. I will do slime videos sometimes I won't. But today, we're doing the slime satisfaction. When I said we, I have a special guest come over here. It's my cousin Chloe. So tell them your YouTube channel name.
It's Chloe Love Bear. Please go subscribe to that.
But type in Hannah Hedden.
Yeah.
Type in Hannah Hedden, and then let's move on to the video. Okay, so this is the first slime. We're gonna show you this really satisfying thing with this slime. It's so satisfying.
Yeah, it's like hard, but it's like metallic.
The first one is we like stretch it out and it looks like we're gonna make a slime bubble, and then we stick our hand through it and it don't pop for the longest time.
I know.
Okay, so come on, Chloe. Hold on.
You have to like play with it though. For like a
Huh.
few minutes.
Hold that, Chloe. Hold it. So sorry that my dresser's a mess. Okay, that might be good. See how satisfying. Trying to get all that glitter.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it should do it. Now I got squish it all down. Sorry that there's like Curious George party bags. My cousin's birthday party was up yesterday.
Yeah, and so like we don't have someone to hold the camera for us because we're not like professional video
We
people.
use the phone to do YouTube videos.
Yeah, and like
So
we have to like grab it and everything.
So
'Cause we
sorry
don't
we're
have-
not for.
Yeah, we're not.
And sorry we don't do
YouTubers, but-
transitions because we can't edit it.
Yeah.
So we don't have.
Even though
computer.
like I have a computer at my house, it's
she,
just
her
like,
mom won't let her edit
Yeah, because I don't really do videos 24/7.
like I do. Like I
Yeah.
sometimes do a lot of it. So here comes the satisfyingness. So Chloe, stick your hand through. Look, you
Oh,
don't pop for
goodness.
the longest time.
It only does it like it pops, but like
It takes a while.
yeah,
Can y'all
See?
see that?
and there's like bubbles all with it.
Comment down below what your favorite type of slime is. Mine would probably be crunchy.
Mine would
And
be
cloud slime.
crunchy, cloud slime, glossy slime, and butter slime.
I actually have a cloud slime.
Oof, sorry.
I actually have a cloud slime. I have this regular slime.
So I forgot like everywhere or something. We're not gonna take it out of the bag because this was like a year ago we made this.
There's no telling if it needs activated. So here is a cloud slime. Right, Chloe?
Yeah.
Go check out Karina Garcia's. Is that her name?
Yeah, Karina Garcia.
Go check out Karina Garcia's.
Yeah,
What?
it's still slime.
Oh! Check
Oh
out
my
Karina.
God.
Guys, check out Karina Garcia's to
Yeah.
figure out how to
Please
make.
subscribe to her.
Yes, and like all her videos, and then she'll teach you how to make cloud slime.
And here was like a putty slime.
Yeah, that my stepdad made.
I can't believe it's still slime. Hasn't it been like a year? Oh my god, guys, be right back.
God, what are you doing? So, she just left to talk to my mama. So, look. Okay, let's just. So let me put up the cloud slime. What'd she say?
Sorry guys, I had to like go
Talk to my mama for a second.
yeah, and show her.
Cause she is just having to. Guys, comment down below when you're going to start school.
Yeah.
Wednesday we're actually starting school.
Yeah.
I'm sad. Today we're going to go to meet our teacher. I'm scared. Because this is my first time ever moving to a different school.
Yeah.
She's moved to multiple different schools. But what's good is we're stuck together.
Yes. And
If
I'm
we
literally
go
going to
down-
recess with you.
If we go
I'm
down.
not playing with no one else.
And we go down. Yeah,
Okay.
we go down together. Oh yeah, and go follow All Around Audrey and Just Jordan 33. Just Jordan 33. She makes awesome slimes. And All Around Audrey. So please go check out them.
So I don't think we have like any other slimes to show you. We're really, really sorry.
Hold on.
But like I left all of the slimes at my house.
My cousin literally just gave me this.
Yeah.
Not her, but my other. Hold on, I think I got another slime.
Which is my sister. Her other cousin is my sister.
I got this kind of dried out slime, but it still works.
Which you can see my sister in like one of my videos.
That she fell off the porch.
Yes, she had fell off the porch.
Oh, she's happy.
Sad but happy. She thought she had a hole in her head.
God.
Which, if you would like to see more, please go watch the video.
Please don't go watch the video. They're like famous on it. She's got like 1,000 something likes on it.
No views.
Views, yeah, views. I love the cloud slime. I can't stop messing with it. Alright, Chloe, you gotta show them how
I
sad.
actually love this slime.
Okay, Chloe,
But the cloud slime is like the best.
hold that. So, guys, I gotta show you how satisfying this is. Ain't that so satisfying, guys?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that just weird? It's been like there for a year. Look how dark it looks in the camera. It looks like really dark in the camera. But we're adding some cloud slime to it. Which will
Oh
probably
my
make
god,
even
it
more.
actually worked.
Yeah, and it worked. Really good.
Oh my god, that made it so much stretchier, didn't it? Feel it.
God.
Oh my god, it's slime bubble. Oh, that's not a slime bubble. Put that
Oh my
slime
god,
bubble.
I'm so
Jealous. Because she don't even know how to make slime. Or she don't know how to make cloud slime. Well, she kind of does.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the satisfaction video. Okay, so now now we're gonna play with it stuff to make it where I can do a satisfaction thing. First,
Well,
I
here
need
is a blue one, but you're right,
It's-
we're not taking it out.
it's
It
a
needs a
liquid.
lot of saline in it.
it's because it's a fluffy slime and we're not the best at
It
slime.
smells delicious, but
Okay, first we need our
I'm gonna be
glitter.
like playing with it in the bag. We should have more saline to it in the bag.
No,
Yeah.
and you can. Here.
You sure you want me to do this?
Sure, don't add a lot though.
I'm not. Definitely.
And if it don't work, just don't do it.
That's not gonna work like the first time.
Tip about slime, we're not really good about making slime. We're just kind of. Is it working?
Yeah, it's getting back together.
Yay!
See how much you need?
Do we need more saline solution? You're about to go in with your hands.
Yeah. Layla. See, all these chunks are getting back together? Layla!
Woo! That's actually a fluffy slime.
Yeah, really good. Which will make fluffy slime probably, or like any other slime. Oh my god!
She's
You know
actually.
what we can do?
We can do a
Make
fixing our
slime
slime video.
Yeah.
That's the next video we're doing. Fixing our slime video.
Yeah.
Which I don't. Actually, I can't fix the slime. I got a dried out slime somewhere in here.
Yeah. Dried out slime will actually help with like slime that's actually
A
really
little
liquidy.
bit. There's just a little bit. So that's the next.
Should we use it or no?
What?
Do you care about that?
We'll do that slime and that slime in my next video.
Layla, the chunks are getting bigger now. Ain't that good?
Yeah.
Look, Layla, they're getting bigger.
So, as y'all didn't, if you didn't know, my name's Layla.
And my name is Chloe.
You gotta subscribe.
Yeah.
Like all her videos. Okay, so now we're about to end this video.
Thank you guys so much
Much.
for watching. Please give it a like.
And so
Comment down below, like, when was your first sleepover and when are you going back to school? We will also be doing a back to school video of all the supplies you might need.
actually I already did that.
Yeah, but
I'm gonna do it again though because it hasn't uploaded.
Yeah, and I think it would go faster if like we did it again because then we can delete that video and it will be the same.
Yeah. So yay.
We'll see.
Okay.
Well, bye guys.
Bye.
Subscribe to the video and
Give it a great thumbs up.
yeah.
Comment down
and-
below if you like this video and if you want to join the beach family.
Yeah.
The beach family. So comment down below #beach family if you subscribe and like our videos.